Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Python, the SimpleXMLRPC server module allows you to create a basic XML-rpc server to handle remote procedure calls, RPCs, using the XML-rpc protocol. It's a simple and efficient way to expose functions or methods over a network. When working with XML-rpc servers, you might need to pass a variable number of arguments to your RPC methods. This is where the kwargs feature comes in handy. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use kwargs with SimpleXMLRPCServer in Python with a code example. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. Additionally, ensure you have the xml-rpc.server module, which is included in the Python standard library. First, let's import the necessary modules, including SimpleXMLRPCServer, which will help us create our XML-rpc server. Now, let's create some sample RPC methods that we will expose through our XML-rpc server. In this example, we'll create two methods, add and multiply, which accept a variable number of arguments using kwargs. In the add method, we use *args to accept a variable number of positional arguments, and in the multiply method, we also use *args. Now, let's create the XML-rpc server and register our RPC methods. In this step, we create an instance of SimpleXMLRPC server on localhost, port 8000, and then register our RPC methods using register_instance. Finally, let's start the XML-rpc server and keep it running. To test the server, you can use an XML-rpc client library like xml-rpc.client or even a web browser. Here's an example of how to test it using Python's xml-rpc.client. Run the client code, and it will connect to the XML-rpc server and invoke the add and multiply methods, passing a variable number of arguments. The server will return the results, and you'll see them printed in the client's output. That's it. You've successfully created an XML-rpc server in Python using SimpleXMLRPCServer and used kwargs to handle methods with a variable number of arguments. This can be particularly useful when you need flexibility in your RPC methods. ChatGPT.